Hello everyone. Today I want to play God of War Betrayal Part 2. Let's continue. Let's continue for new adventure because I'm passing to that one. Let me continue. Okay, I need to fight with something like God Rider. Okay, I win him now. I want to fight him again. But he so more damage. Oh no, I die again. But he thought never die in there. Need to fight with him again. Here, he gone now. Need to jump to that way. Don't know how to jump. I can't jump. He thought never die because he has someone support him, just like I are, or he's smart. Okay. I need to change weapon for creative, but I will upload this is main. Yeah, I need to get better, but I need creative fighting. Okay, just like it before. Okay, just part sing to this part. Okay, that dragon eye give me increase my health. Okay, need to fight with this creative over. I will wanna die again. If so more, I die again, and I will get back to alive again. I want to know it. I open it. Okay, open it there. Right, we change to best weapon of magic now. Oh, no. They don't allow me to take it. But my sword is strong now. Okay, I can continue. Here, you let it my back. I think some men don't want to hit back. Okay, just continue. Okay, God Rider, he never die easy. Okay, until that door open. Okay, that passing through. Oh no, I die again. He die and he can. That God Rider, he die and he can stay alive again. But he thought is stay alive again because of he got helper with some Titan like Gaia or Kronos. Need to passing to this. Yeah. I จำอะไรใน what something I don't know that name. Okay, my bed of chaos is still strong now because I upgrade. Need to say goodbye to him, but die again. And I return again. I don't know. That's why stupid again. 1, 2. Okay, can pass. Into fire and get weapon that he's so strong now he can return let me 1, 2. I don't kill people but I know choice you start. Okay, if people I can kill by Ghost Rider 1, 2. I have no choice now. Can pass input. I have no choice really. It my sensing to do that. My bit of chaos is strong now. And the door still don't open. Okay, need to fight with him. Just call gameplay. Oh, big enemy find me now. You fight him with what I can find. We will then together if we die and return from die. Okay, need to take with him. I can't take with him right now. I need to kill him by my style. Oh, I die, but I have hope to stay alive. I don't care that Ghost Rider now. I need to finish him for the next door open. It's just a gameplay. Don't be serious. Okay, how is the button now? Oh. He die again and I die again. Need to passing through as I can. Okay, let me gone. Okay. Some heal of sovereignty. Okay. He still die and he still got something that my deflection. I don't want to do that. We have to meditate for hacking our sensing. I don't know how to join, but I need to try to do that. Oh, I lucky to dying with water. Need to continue. Okay, I still have made it. I want with my finger, but it's okay. We want to continue. Okay, just let him be. is all overpaid, not reality. I know find a way. Okay, that part. Oh, my accident again. I don't know where to go. Just give me a minute. Okay. Just find how to stay with that skin. Now I think my bit of chaos can be upgraded. I don't want other need 2000, but I need creative fire. Okay, that upgrade will be, but I need bit of chaos upgrade. So I will stay on bit of chaos. Okay, now I can creative fighting. I think bit of chaos be better. Okay, you know how to go with that. Oh, I know now. Okay.โอเคเย็ดพาสิ่งถูกแล้วโอเคเย็ดพาสิ่งถูกพาถูก and it okay to say thank you for watching and goodbye everyone